For the number field, let's start things off by saying that this will render on smaller devices as normal fields, with the entry similar to that of a telephone keypad, like we saw with the tel input type. However, on the desktop we see something different. On Chrome, you can see that we get a standard looking text box, but when we hover over, we get arrows that allow us to increment or decrement the value. This could be handy for user experience because it means if a small range of numbers, such as a quantity, are required, a user can simply click rather than having to type. We also see validation of non-numeric values here. Now, unfortunately, this isn't the case with all browsers, so don't rely on this for an easy entry all the time. It's just a nice shortcut for where it is supported. If you need more control over these values, you can define the min, max, and step attributes. These are pretty self-explanatory, but let's look at an example. Say you allow the quantity to be chosen using a number field. You would enter the minimum as 1 and the max to whatever your stock might be. And of course, the step here would be 1. The step is an increment or decrement value each time the spinbox arrows are clicked. As with other fields, we can also use the value attribute here to set a default value if we need to. In this case, we can assume a quantity of 1 is going to be the likely default option. So after applying these, we get the ability to increase or decrease quantity up to a maximum of 10 with a step of 1 and a minimum value of 1.